Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide your friends list on Facebook. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe, like and share this video if you find it interesting. Shout out to my 631 subscribers. I really appreciate you all. Without further delay, let's get started. First, go to Facebook. Click on the menu icon. Now you can either click on the gear icon or scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. Now scroll down. Click on How people find and contact you. Now click on Who can see your friends list. Click on See More. Now check the Only Me option by clicking on it. And by doing this, your friends list has been successfully hidden. So that is all for this tutorial, friends. If you found this tutorial helpful, kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel and share to others. Thank you so much for watching.